You don't know me. All right, sorry. All right, ready? So
You should.
I'm a little stuck here. It says where x and y value, or what are the values of x and y, and I don't even know where to start on this one.
All right, so in your notes, where have you seen a diagrams that look like this before for this unit?
Okay, so in my notes, I found something that looks kind of similar. These two angles are across from each other, and those two are across from each other. In my notes, it says it's something called a vertical angle.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so I'm not.
What else? Does it mention anything else that looks like two lines crossing? Is there another diagram?
There's another diagram where I have two lines crossing, and the angles this time are next to each other. And it says this one's called a linear angle.
Yeah,
and
for sure.
someplace underneath it says that the vertical plus the linear is equal to 180 degrees.
Good. That's good to think about, because if you notice in the picture you have, it looks like you have a vertical and a linear. So what I want you to do, I'm going to come back in a few minutes. I want you to try something with that equation in mind. Try and see if you can solve for any of the x's and y's.
So in my notes, I have that x and 36 here. So I think this is equal to 36.
Okay. And you got that from your notes, right?
Yeah, the note said that this angle is 36, and it has an x there just like this one.
Okay.
And so I think that one's 36.
So the reason why they're called vertical angles is x doesn't always equal to 36.
Oh.
That's just for this one example. So you got two numbers up there. What two numbers do you see up here already?
I see 74 and 52.
All right. So why don't you use like one of your colored pencils?
Okay.
And
so let's
put like you see how like they have those marks on vertical angle? Do that at the x. Go ahead and do that on the x side.
So I'm gonna match the picture here.
Okay, there we go. I like it. All right. So what number has that green mark?
52.
So what does x equal?
Okay. So this one. So my x should be equal to 52.
There you go. That's half the battle. All right. That's awesome. So those are vertical angles. That's what it means. The color coding's huge.
Okay.
All right. So what do you got for y?
Okay. So for my y, I'm gonna do the same thing. So I have a single and I have a double. So I have a single, and then I have a double.
Okay.
Okay. So I put y plus 52 is equal to 180. Because that's what we have over here.
I love how you started that. That looks good.
Okay. Because I have my vertical, which was green, and my linear, which was red, and I combine them to equal 180, and I solve for y, and that equals 128.
All right. So something I'm noticing on your work for y is, what number is right next to y that you didn't include?
74.
Oh, okay. So you got to use that 74 somehow.
Okay.
So after you subtract 52, there's one more thing that you got to do. What do you think you would need to subtract also?
74.
You got to subtract 74 also. So okay. So I'm gonna ask you to change something real quick. You see how you have y equals 128? Erase that y and put y plus 74 right there.
Okay. Should I change it up here too?
Yep, absolutely.
Okay. Let's change it both.
If you want to be really fancy, math people will tell you to put parentheses there.
Oh, okay. I must be a math person.
That's right.
Okay.
All right, so now tell me what you're going to do on both sides.
Can I get rid of the parentheses?
Sure, you don't need the parentheses. That's all good.
Okay, so I only have parentheses, so I'm going to get rid of them on that side.
Yep.
And I have 128.
Awesome. And now what are you going to do?
Can I add 74 to both sides?
You could add 74, but wait. There's more.
Oh.
You were thinking that you were going to subtract 74, right?
Yeah.
You're already thinking about it. You forgot to put a plus right there for all those minuses.
It's supposed to be a plus.
So you got to pay attention to that. So instead of subtract, now instead of adding, what should you do?
I should subtract 7.
You should do the inverse operation. Absolutely.
Okay. Inverse operation?
Geometry. The hardest part of geometry is the algebra.
Alright. Uh-oh. Who has my calculator?
There you go.
Okay.
All right, that looks good. So you're saying y equals 54. I like it. Do you know? So going back to the big picture. Just because I want to make sure you think about this. If the green angles are 52, what's the whole red angle? What's the entire red angle equal?
Oh, okay. So just to double check here, this should be. Well, I have y is equal to 54, So this should be 54 plus 74.
That's right. You gotta add it to 74. So what's that equal?
I just worked backwards from right here.
Yeah.
So this would be 128.
All right. I just want you to stop.